Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you the documentation of our recent Holiday Inn Express experience in Manila.
Baby. And I got a record naman.
Jamushi Travels is back, and today we're here at Holiday Inn Express Newport. So this is what the room looks like. Unfortunately, I can't find the room tour video, so I'll link here our previous day for your reference. But at least for this day, we have used the free shuttle bus service from the NAIA Terminal 3 going to the Holiday Inn, and it's very convenient. So this is our favorite place if we need a quick layover location prior and after our long haul flight. So we also like this because they have a generous amount of buffet selection and option, and here's a clip of what it looks like.
And they have juice. Pan request.
They don't have swimming pool, but they have laundry and gym area. So there are also convenience store downstairs, and likewise it's near the casino, so a lot of things that you can do within this area aside from this being near the airport. So if you're looking for a place to stay in Newport, you may want to consider Holiday Inn Express Manila. So that's all for this quick review, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Hi, Jamushi Travels is back, and today we're here at Holiday Inn Express and we are checking out. We will come back again after 3 weeks after our big major flight this year. So again, do stay tuned and see you in our next one. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.